Hi, on behalf of 24 Hour Answers team, I would like to welcome you to today's lesson. Today's lesson is electric field. If we have an electric charge, let's name it Q1, that charge creates an electric field around it. That field is a region within which the charge can exert its electrostatic influence. On the picture below, you can see a 2D representation of an electric field. This is not a completely accurate representation because the electric field doesn't look like that. This is just to show that there is a field around the charge itself. On the other hand, a 3D representation would be better because in real life, charge is not a circle, it's a sphere. If Q1 was a positive charge, then the electric field lines would look like on the picture below, going away from the charge. On the other hand, if Q1 was a negative charge, then the electric field lines will go towards it. If we wanted to measure the strength of the electric field created by Q1, we would have to introduce a positive test charge, let's name it small q, which is so small we can almost ignore it. And that is important because we don't want it to change the configuration of the field that we are trying to measure. On the other hand, if that test charge was somewhere around the Q1 itself, by value of course, it would have an electric field of its own, and at that point we would have two electric fields and it would be impossible to measure just the electric field of Q1. Anyway, the positive test charge will experience a force, and the ratio of the force to the charge is the electric field. Intensity of an electric field can be calculated with the formula below. Q is the charge itself. Epsilon 0 is the permittivity of free space, and you can see its approximate value on your screen. Epsilon R is the relative permittivity of the material in which the charges are immersed. R is the distance from the charge. We can also write the formula in another way, like you can see on the screen. K is Coulomb's constant, and you can see the approximate value. Units of electric field are usually volts per meter, but you can find in your literature also newtons per coulomb, but that is less frequently used. That should be it. Thank you for your time. Check out our YouTube channel for more lessons.